Are you facing Netflix error code d7111-1331 and don't know how to fix it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Firstly, you need to identify the specific error message you're receiving. Is it, "This title is not available to watch instantly"? If so, it could be due to browser settings or extensions interfering with Netflix. To solve this, try typing www.netflix.com directly into your browser's URL bar, instead of using a bookmark. If this resolves the issue, make sure to update your bookmark URL. Now check if your browser is up to date. If it is, and you're still encountering the error, switch to your browser's incognito or private mode. If this solves the problem, disable all your browser extensions and then check Netflix again. If you're still unable to stream, try using a different browser. If this rectifies the issue, then it's likely your browser causing the problem. Now if you're seeing the error message, "Sorry, your account can't be used on this device," it means your current Netflix plan doesn't support watching on a web browser. In this case, to watch Netflix from your computer, you'll need to upgrade your plan. If despite all these steps you're still facing the issue, don't hesitate to contact the Netflix support team. Make sure to mention all the steps you've tried to help them diagnose the problem faster. In summary, to fix Netflix error code D7111-1331, you need to check your browser settings and extensions, try accessing Netflix from different browsers or in incognito mode, or consider upgrading your plan if it doesn't support streaming on a web browser. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Netflix support. Remember, you're not alone, and help is always available. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.